Hi, this is Lisa Renee from the Collaborative Press. This is a quick video about categories. So when you put your book online with Amazon, they give you a selection of, say, 2 categories, but you can actually have up to 10, and you just have to email them. So I'm just going to share my screen and give you some ideas on how easy it can be to find some categories. So there's this free website, BKLNK, Tools for Authors. I'll put the link in the show notes. Author Tools, Category Finder. Okay, and then you've got a space here where you can put a book's ASIN. So say, for example, you want to find your competitors, maybe the top seller. Here you can copy and paste SIN and then paste it in here. Press go find, and then you can see it tells you about the book, what the price is. It's ranking 110 at the moment. Page count when it came out, some information there. And then we've got the categories. So say if this is an example of clean and wholesome, can show you what the categories that the sales rank is number 2 in inspirational romance, new adult and college romance, romantic comedy, clean and wholesome. Okay, so not all of them might suit your particular book. And here you can copy and paste. Okay, so I would open up a Word doc or a notepad and copy and paste in there. So now I'm just going to promote the ebooks, not the books. So if you've got a paperback, your genre sells paperbacks more, then you could do that. I'm just doing the ebooks, so Kindle store. And you can see the categories, how they break down: Kindle store, Kindle ebooks, romance, new adult, college, etc. Okay, and then I'll take out the ones that weren't relevant and paste that in there, and I would make sure I've got 10 separate ones, and then I would email support. Now, if you don't get enough, like I might take out this new adult one, and then I would search for another category. You also can put your book in, your ASIN, and see what categories you're coming up for. And then you can see if you like to leave it like that. But if you've only just submitted if you've only just submitted the 2 categories when you just put your book online with Amazon KDP, then you do need to email Amazon and ask them to put 10 in, because you're just getting more. Then you can, like when you do a promotion using promotion sites, you will go, often can go number 1 in a category, a subcategory, and that's how people do that. They get high rankings like that and get seen more for free. So that's just a quick little trick. And if you just want to subscribe, if you want any more little tips like this, I will just show you the other paid option that you can use with Publisher Rocket. I've put the ASIN here, and then you can go see categories on Publisher Rocket. Okay, it just gives you a bit more information that what they're ranking in these categories. So number 6 in inspirational, number 9 in contemporary, in romance contemporary, number 6 in new adult and college romance. Okay, and then you can download that, export. So, and then you can check out the book. This also gives you a bit of like, it's telling you what the estimated daily sales for this book is and the monthly sales. So you can see how well that's doing in those categories. And if it's something that's similar to your book, then that's something that you would like to send to Amazon. So I'll have just a little bit more information notes on that. But basically, you go into your dashboard and go to contact us, go for help and contact us. And then there's a little prepaid form, and then you just fill that out. I would like to be in these 10 categories. So just pick and choose what you think is sensible for your book. All right, I hope that helps, and I'll have the links down there. And if you would like to subscribe for a few more tips, just click that button and we'll be back with more. Bye for now.